Now we'll be adding chords to what we've been playing. We know how to play the Mary Had a Little Lamb, but we don't know how to add chords to it yet. So I'll teach you how to add chords. So that is the plan in this video. Now, in the link below, watch the video I explain chords, what chords are, right before you continue this video. Now, if you've watched it, you will notice that there are different, all notes have chords. So if this is your do, you skip one, that's me, skip one, that's your do chord, because they were formed from do, you skipped from do. Now to get your re chord, you skip one, you get this, skip one, you get this. This is your re chord. So this is your mi chord, fa chord, sol chord, la chord, ti chord, and do chord. Again, the only chords we'll be interested in is the do, the fa, sol, and la. As a beginner, you don't need the rest. So you need just do, fa, sol, la. And this is how you're supposed to play it with your left hand. Do, fa, sol, la. Alright? That's how you're supposed to play it. So you use your number 1, 3, and 5. Do. Now, if that is proving difficult, all you have to do, in the video I asked you to watch, you'll see the exercises I asked you to do. You just try doing your left hand, do, re, mi, re, do, like 20 times every day, right? That's 1, do, re, mi, re, do, that's 2, 20 times every day, and in 1 week your hand would have gotten the structure necessary to play that. Don't forget your right hand, the same thing, do, re, mi, re, do. Then after doing that 20 times every day each, then you bring them together and do, re, mi, re, do, 20 times every day. And if you can do that consistently for 1 week, you'll be good to go. Now remember I said we are only concentrating on the do, fa, sol, la, right? For Mary Had a Little Lamb, you don't need the 4 of them, you just need 2 of them, the do and the sol. You know this is sol, and this is also sol. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, do, re, mi, fa, sol, sol. They are both sols. So this is your do chord. Right? And what is a chord? A chord is like the family where notes come from. Like you come from a family, right? Mi comes from the do chord, because you have do, mi, sol in the do chord. So when you want to play mi, re, do, you do mi, re, do, re, mi, mi. So can you see, whenever we hit our mi, we hit our do chord. It's like the family supporting the family member to succeed, and it sounds very well. And it's not every time you play chords for notes. Some notes are just passing notes and they don't need chords. But there are some anchor notes that have to have chords here supporting them. That's an anchor note. This is a passing note. Anchor note, so it needs chord. Another anchor note. Re. Re has its own family, and that's the sol chord, because sol has sol, ti, re. Right? If you look at them, so ti, re is in the sol chord. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re. So re is here. So we come to the sol chord. Let's start again. If your hand is too big, right, like mine, is not. If you don't have a small hand, you can use your 2, 3, and number 5 fingers to play it. You go to your sol chord. Now, another anchor note, you come back to your do. Hit it again. See, I hit it again, the chord, right? another anchor note. So all you need is just do so, and then you end on your do. So that's how to apply chords on the left hand on the scale of C. The next scale will be playing chords on the scale of C sharp. So see you in the next video.